All, myself Dheeraj Kumar Mishra, Chief Academic and Business Head, Akash Educational Services Limited, and I am very happy and proud to share with all of you that the JEE Mains 2026 results have been announced of Phase 1 and Phase 2 jointly, and our Akashians once again have made all of us feel proud with the flying colors in JEE Mains 2026. Akash has produced 9 students below All India 100 ranks. So a big round of applause for all our students who have been scoring All India rank 11, 27, 31, 43, 57, 68, 93 and 94. Not only this, Akashians have bagged 45 All India ranks below 500 at Pan India level. Now Akash is present everywhere across India from north to south, east to west, and our students from each corner have come out with flying colors in JEE Mains 2026. Karnataka, where we are operating with 20 centers across Bangalore and the rest part of Karnataka. Our students from Karnataka also have come up with the best ranks in JEE Mains 2026. Our student named Adarsh Kumar Behra has secured All India rank 43 and Karnataka state rank 2 in JEE Mains 2026. Akashians year after year have been bagging the best ranks in JEE, Main, Advanced and the KCET entrance examination, which shows the legacy and supremacy of brand Akash in engineering entrance examinations in Karnataka. Not only Adarsh Kumar Behra with All India rank 43, we are having 2 more students with the rank below 500 All India, Pranil Singla with the rank 211 and Ayush S with the All India rank 276. Total 3 students are there. 4 students are there below 1000 All India rank from Karnataka alone. So our students have proven that the study material, the test, the classroom ambience and the teachers what Akash have been giving to these students are exceptional, and the commitment of our teachers to make sure that these students qualify in the entrance examinations has given us these results. My best wishes to all these students and the parents, and all the best to all future aspirants of the JEE and the KCET entrance examinations in Karnataka. They can come visit our branches, can see that in what all atmosphere these toppers were trained and how their dreams can also be fulfilled of becoming engineer in Karnataka with our branches. So thank you so much and all the best to all our students for JEE advanced examination now. Thank you.